Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your phone is unlocked and the Roman 6 SIM is active. This prevents unexpected prompts. Once ready, open Settings and go straight to Connections or Network and Internet so you don't wander. Next, tap Mobile Network or the SIM and Network option that lists your Roman 6 SIM. This brings up the controls you need to change. You're starting the action now. Locate the data roaming switch associated with the Roman 6 profile so you can modify it immediately and avoid accidental charges. Once inside the mobile network settings, identify the data roaming toggle. It's often labeled data roaming or roaming. If your phone uses two SIMs, make sure you select the Roman 6 SIM first, because toggling the wrong SIM won't help. Then switch data roaming off, tap the toggle, and when a confirmation or warning appears, accept it to apply the change. This step stops your device from using VI's roaming connections and prevents surprise international or out-of-network data charges. Finalize by verifying that data roaming is reported as off in the same mobile network screen. Then check the notification bar to see the mobile data icon behavior. Once done, restart the phone if the toggle seems to revert. Rebooting forces the system to apply network profile changes. If the setting won't stick, make sure airplane mode is off and then reset network settings or contact Roman 6 customer support. These steps resolve SIM profile or carrier-side provisioning problems when turning off roaming fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.